Okay, we're gonna do it. 2 recordings in one day because I'm a sucker and I want to keep practicing my shit. So, all right. あやこは電車に乗ろうとき、つくも不思議に思うことがあります。この人たちはどから来てどこへ行くのかな。どこへ行くのかな。Whenever Ayako rides a train, there's something she always wonders about. Where did these people come from? And where did these people go? 今日は6月15日日曜日の朝です。Every morning? That is Sunday morning. 日曜日。もうすぐ夏です。もうすぐ夏です。とてもいい天気です。今日、あやこは電車に乗って新しい映画を見に行きます。Today, Today is June 15th and it's a Sunday morning. Summer is just around the corner. It is a nice day. Today, Ayako takes the train and goes to see a new movie. Deuces. Thanks. I know that was short, but I have other things to do. So, we out.